Trawling is a hazardous fishing technique operating in the shadows of regulation. Trawlers drag weighted nets across the ocean floor, destroying everything in their path, including coral reefs, marine habitats, and entire ecosystems in a matter of minutes. 50% of the world's coral reefs have been lost in the last 30 years due to trawling, and 25% of all marine species depend on coral reefs to survive. The bottom line is, trawling needs to be stopped, and we have a solution. As Coral Connections, we have designed artificial coral out of concrete to save the homes of marine bottom-dwelling organisms underwater. A carefully curated 3D printed 8-piece hard mold has given us the perfect design. Our model demonstrates the success of combining artificial coral reefs with environmentally friendly materials with anti-trawling features. This structure also ensures long-term stability and protection against all trawling nets. To make our artificial coral, we mix together the concrete, aggregate, and seawater to make the concrete texture more liquidy to then be put in the mold. The final mold was marked with different shapes on each side to make it easier to reattach the mold the correct way after filled with concrete.
The mold is being placed together in order to form two halves, and then will be placed together to form the full structure. The mold was slowly taken apart one by one from each piece. And this is what our final structure looked like when cast as concrete.
Our structure, when dropped, will carefully fall onto one another to create a stacked structure, similar to how coral pieces build on one another. The structures will slowly be rolled off the boat and into the water. As the boat slowly moves through the area, many structures will stack on top of one another, creating a reef-like cluster. The water will allow the structures to slowly drop, preventing damage to existing coral on the ocean floor. Over time, the structures will be monitored with underwater photogrammetry and occasional imaging from divers. The amount of biodiversity and erosion of the coral structure will be observed to determine the longevity of each structure and to observe how many microorganisms and macroorganisms the structure attracts. The structures will be further enhanced with a natural biofilm that is a red-orange color. The biofilm will encourage microfouling and increase the rate at which biodiversity develops around the structure. The color will attract algae and in turn increase the amount of micro and macroorganisms present around the cluster of structures.
Through environmentally friendly materials and strategic planning, Coral Connections will defeat trawling and protect sea life in danger once and for all.